Hey, let's go. Today I'm out in Tacoma, checking out the Bavarian food truck, Itty Bitty Schnitty, who's serving up all your German favorites. Amber, how you doing?
Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for coming out.
Okay, Itty Bitty Schnitty. What a name.
Schnitty, yep.
Tell me about that.
So, you know, I knew I wanted to open an Austrian German food truck because that's where my family's from,
Nice.
Close to my heart. The truck gets a lot of, you know, fun looks and people laugh, and it was intended to be that way.
Now, what's one of your signature dishes that we're going to be talking about today?
So the Itty Bitty Schnitty is our most popular dish. That's our miniature schnitzel. So we take pork, pound it out really flat, and bread it and deep fry it.
Oh,
and then you get a side dish with that, all for $8. It's a really good deal.
And this particular side dish that we're working on today is?
Our potato dumplings.
Awesome. I got to go for these potatoes first.
Absolutely.
Because, oh man, look how dense those things are. That's just full of flavor, I can tell.
Awesome.
They're so smooth and creamy. So I know I love it. Well, let's see what everybody else thinks.
All right.
So now, Beata, I understand you're of German descent, correct?
Yes.
So you know your dumplings.
Oh, yes.
Well, I'm gonna have you try this awesome potato dumpling right here from Itty Bitty Schnitty. What makes a good dumpling?
Well, it has to be soft. It has to be exciting. It has to feel on your tongue like an adventure.
Those are fantastic.
Very flavorful.
Is this a worthy dumpling?
Oh, yes.
Good flavor and nice and soft.
I'd love to know what they put in these.
I'll tell you what they put in
taste
those.
way better than the ones my grandmother.
Those are made with Washington potatoes. That's probably what it is.
Yeah.